All right, we have a grill torch and a New York strip steak. Here is a fun test that we like to do on the channel. We are gonna see, can you sear a steak just with the grill torch, no charcoal, and get a good crust, but actually have a good tasting steak? That is the experiment. Let's throw this thing down and get to searing. From my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. All right, we are gonna season this steak with my all y'all, and it's really simple. We're not gonna do a binder just for this test. And get all sides here. This is gonna be just quick and easy, I hope, and a fun experiment. Especially if you're camping or something like that. Now, obviously when you're camping, you've got a fire already, but who doesn't like a good grill torch to have fun with? Fire! Fire! All right, so we got it seasoned up right here. Now it's time to do the test. This may be a good idea or a bad idea, but I've never done it just like this. I use this for searing. There's two versions of the grill gun. There's an actually sous vide, that's a searing one. I don't have that, but I have the regular version that you usually light up charcoal, but it's gonna have the same power. Maybe not as much power, but it's still gonna be incredible. Let's get this thing lit up. And we're just gonna get a good sear the best we can on both sides and flip, and then we'll see what the internal temperature is and then get to slicing. All right, let's go. Showtime. All right, we're gonna do a little flip action.
Scott, can you hear it sizzling?
I hear it sizzling. Now it's got, because of my salt, pepper, garlic, it's definitely kind of burned that up a little bit, but man, it's still seared. We're gonna flip it, do the same method. I'm gonna just try something. I'm gonna lightly start and then go for it. Just a baby sear, just a baby sear. All right, we're starting to see a little caramelization, a little burning of the salt, pepper, garlic. Now I think it's time for showtime. All right, let's just check the internal temperature. Let's see here. We still got a ways to go, guys. Let's keep on going until we get to that internal temperature I want. Do a little flip, it's on fire still. Oh yeah, definitely soft. You can tell by pushing down with the meat. Let's do another little test. 122, wait a second. Wait, 116, 122. Let's do one more sear. All right, man, look at that. Oh my gosh. This is definitely seared really well. All with this guy. The moment of truth. Look at this steak crust. It smells good. This surprisingly looks decent. I mean, I don't know, what do you think, Caleb?
Oh yeah, it looks really good. I'm shocked with how crispy and like soft it is to the touch.
Yeah, definitely. You can tell how how soft it's. The juices are already on the cutting board. Let's see how we did. This is the fatty part. So good. It's one of my favorite. All right, let's do one of these. I don't even know the results. You're seeing it before I am. How do we do?
Oh, it's incredible.
Is it medium rare?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a little rare.
A little rare, but not bad. If you saw our steak video from last week, a little reverse sear versus sear first, you might want to check that out. Kind of a similar. Oh yeah, let's do a little steak cooking, a little slicing. Okay, yeah. Not bad. Like you said, a little that more on the rare side, but not bad at all. We could have kept on going, but I'll be honest, I was a little fearful I was gonna torch this thing so bad that it wasn't gonna be edible. Let's taste this thing. We're gonna do 2 bites here, one with some salt on it and one without it, because I want to just taste it purely how it is. So let's taste it right here. All right. Okay. That tastes like a good steak. All right, Kelly, you want one?
Oh, yeah. Low takes test.
You know what?
Oh, yeah.
That's surprising.
I'm shocked.
Wow, I'm like really surprised. We could have gone longer, probably torched this thing even more to get more of that medium rare. But you know what? If you're in a pinch and you don't, obviously I'm gonna get comments, man, you don't need to spend 200 bucks on a grill gun. You can go to any hardware store, they've got cheaper versions, or on Amazon, do the same test, doesn't matter what grill torch you use. But if you're in a pinch or you just wanna get creative with fire, this is a fun solution. I don't hate it.
No, it's really good.
All right, so now I wanna do one with a little Molden salt here. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Just because we can. Turn this into 2 slices. I'm gonna get this one for myself. Okay. Share with my friend. That salt takes it up.
Whole nother level.
Get you some Amazon. It's awesome. Yep. That totally made it better. 100% recommend that. If you're going the searing with your grill torch the whole time, add that Molden's, takes it to the next level. That seriously was a really good steak. I'm loving this. All right, friends, we finished it up. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Do you think this is a stupid idea, a cool idea, something fun that you might want to experiment? Let us know in the chat. Let's create a little fun forum in the chat room there in the comment section. And this, man, I would say the crust turned out surprisingly really well. I don't hate it, and look at that. That's a really medium rare steak there. And for those that love that style, which I do, I would say this was a success.
Scott, what kind of meat is that? Like
this, oh dude, this was a certified Angus beef, and it was I think it's a choice. So like that, this was a Walmart steak, because I just didn't want to waste my money on a really expensive steak on this experiment, and this tasted really good.
Yeah.
Friends, if you found value and you're entertained, you're having fun, be sure to support the channel. Check out the All Y'all seasoning for your salt, pepper, and garlic needs. And we so appreciate you being on this journey with us. Be sure to like, subscribe, do all the things. It really helps us out. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.